Hi, how are you feeling today? Happy, sad, or just fine? But wait, hold on. Why do I need to ask you? Can I not find out just by looking at you? Many times, yes, but not always. Our face does not always reflect how we feel inside. Life usually teaches us to hide our true feelings. But what if I take your blood sample, put some electrodes in your brain, or maybe put you inside an MRI machine? I can surely find out which neurons in your brain are firing and how many hormones of which kind are circulating in your bloodstream. But does all this information still tell me anything about your inner feelings? What differentiates human beings from robots is our inner feelings and personal experience of the world around. In a garden, we don't just see the trees around, but also experience their color, beauty, and fragrance. A robot may have a better camera than our eyes, but it is impossible for a robot to experience the world like human beings do. Your well being is all about your personal experience of the world around. One child can feel very happy on securing 80% marks in the exam, and another one can get very depressed on having scored only 90%. I'm sure you have seen the movie Chichore. Many love marriages also end up in a bitter divorce. It's all about your perspective and personal experience, and that a machine cannot measure or predict. This is very important to understand, especially for the young and ambitious. You must definitely work hard to become successful in your chosen career path, but that alone will not get you happiness. In addition to success, you also need to develop the right perspective about life. And the good news is that your perspective is very much in your own hands. It is possible for you to change the way you experience the world around and take control of your own happiness. Your hormones do control a large part of how you feel, but there is an inner core within you that is totally independent of all these external measurable things. And through simple practices of yoga and meditation, it is very much possible for you to tap into that inner core in order to remain happy and joyful, irrespective of how the world around may be treating you. So stay tuned to our YouTube channel to learn more tips and tricks on how to achieve this in your life. Get smarter, get wiser.